Hi, let's solve this problem. So we have the graph of y equal to x square minus 4, which is given, and y equal to 2x minus x square is given, and we have to create a bounded area that is the base of the solid, and the solid has the cross sections that are perpendicular to x-axis from the squares. Okay, so before solving this problem, so we have to sketch the region of integration. So let's sketch the region of integration. Okay, so we have x square minus 4. Okay, so let's draw the axis. So yeah, this is the vertical axis, and we have the horizontal axis. Let's say this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis we have, and we have x square minus 4. X square minus 4 is a parabola shifting down 4 units, right? A parabola at vertex at origin shifting down 4 units. So at 0, so we have this is the graph of the parabola, but this parabola is shifting down 4 units. Okay, so we have to shift this parabola 4 units down, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so this is the parabola shifting 4 unit down. Also you can shift these points. Okay, so this is the this is extended. Yes, and we have the y equal to 2x minus x square. So to graph this function, we have to rewrite this function as we have the y equal to 2x minus x square. So rewrite this function as a completing square. So that is y negative x square positive 2x, and you can factor out the negative, that is the x square minus 2x, and we have to add half of this coefficient of x, so that is the negative 1. So we have to add a negative 1 whole square and subtract the negative 1 whole square, so which is negative. So the x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to y equal to negative. So you can see x square minus 2x plus 1 is x minus 1 whole square, and we have the negative 1, right? And multiplying with this negative 1, we have the negative x minus 1 whole square positive 1. Okay, so this is the parabola shifting 1 unit to the right and moving 1 unit to the up. A parabola opening downward, shifting 1 unit to the right and 1 unit to the up. So the vertex at 1 comma 1, and the parabola is down, right? So let's say, so this is the parabola. Okay, yeah, so this is the y equal to x square minus 4, and the red one is uh, y equal to 2x minus x square. Okay, so we have to find these intersection points. Okay, so the intersection points of these two curves. So let's find the intersection points. So set them equal. So x square minus 4 is equal to 2x minus x square. So adding x square on each side, you will get 2x square, and subtracting 2x on each side, you will get a negative 2x equal to 0, and dividing both sides by 2, you will get x square minus x minus 2 is 0. So the factorization is here minus 2, we have minus 2, and the factors of the minus 2 are minus 2 and positive 1. So the factorization is x minus 2 x plus 1 equal to 0. So which is equal to x minus 2 equal to 0, which is equal to x equal to 2, and x plus 1 equal to 0, which is x equal to negative 1, right? So we have at x equal to 2, so we have the two intersection points. This is equal to negative 1 and x equal to 2. Okay, so the corresponding y values are, you can use any of this equation. So that is, so at 2 we have the 2 squared minus 4, so that is 0, and at negative 1 we have the negative 1 squared minus 4, that is the 1 minus 4, we have the negative 3. So this is negative 1 comma 3, and this one is 2 comma 0. Okay, so now this is the region, so this is the region, right? Now the cross sections, the solid has the cross section that are perpendicular to x-axis, so that has the perpendicular to x-axis form squares, right? So let's form the square. Okay, this is the square. You can see the height, the this length equal to this, the side length of this square, right? These two are equal, right? So this base equal to this equal to base equal to, let's say the base equal to b equal to the top curve is 2x minus x square, 2x minus x square minus the bottom curve, that is the x square minus 4, that is the negative x square minus of minus positive 4. So that is 2x minus 2x square positive 4. So this is the base. Okay, so we have the, this is the base. Now the area of this cross section is so the area of the cross section, that is the area of this square equal to b times b, so that is the b square. Since the base equal to, the base is we have 2x minus 2x square plus 4 whole square, right? Okay, so this is the area, this is the area. So the volume area equal to, let's say of x equal to, so that is the 2x minus 2x square plus 4 whole square. So this is the area of the, so this one is the area of the cross section, right? Now let's find the, now let's set up the volume of this integral. So the volume v equal to, so we have to accumulate the all the cross sections from the perpendicular to x-axis are these are the cross sections, right? So we have to accumulate all these cross sections from this x value, that is the negative 1, to this x value, that is 2. Okay, so the integration is to 1, sorry, negative 1 to 2 a of x and dx. So this is equal to integral negative 1 to 2, the a of x equal to 2x minus 2x square plus 4 whole square. So this is equal to b. So this is the volume integral. Okay, so now let's evaluate this definite integral. So before evaluating this integral, let's simplify the expand this integrand term. So the 2x minus 2x squared plus 4 whole square is So that is equal to 2x minus 2x squared plus 4 times 2x minus 2x squared plus 4. Okay, you can use the distributor. So this is equal to 2x minus 2x squared plus 4 minus 2x squared 2x minus 2x squared plus 4 and plus 4 times 2x minus 2x squared plus 4. So this is equal to 2x times 2x, so that is the 4x squared minus 2x times 2x squared, that is the negative 4x cube, plus 2x times 4, that is 8x, and then 2x squared times 2x, that is the negative 4x cube, plus negative 2x squared plus negative of negative, that is the positive 2 times 2, 4 x to the power 4 minus 8 uh, 8 times 2x 8 times x square, and then we have plus 4 times 2x, that is the 8x, minus 4 times 2, that is the negative 8 x square plus 4 times 4, that is 16. Okay, so now let's simplify this one. So we have the 4x square. So we have the 4x square and negative 8x square and negative 8x square. So negative 8, 16, 16 plus 4. So that is the negative 12x square. And then we have the negative 4x cube, negative 4x cube, that is the negative 8x cube, negative 8x cube. Okay. So that is we have negative 8x cube. And we have 8x, we have 8x plus 8x. So that is we have 16x. Okay. And finally we have, so 4x to the power 4. And we have 16 plus 16. Right. So this is the expansion. So now evaluate the integral. So the integral is, so v equal to integral 0 to, sorry, negative 1 to 2, this one 2x minus 2x square plus 1 whole square dx. So that is equal to negative 12 x square minus 8 x cube plus 16x plus 4x power x to the power 4 plus 16 dx. So the integration of negative 12, the integration of x square is x to the power 3 over 3 minus 8 times the integration of x power cube is, that is x power 4 over 4 plus 16 times the integration of x is x square over 2 plus 4 times the integration of x power 4 is x power 5 over 5 plus 16 times x, and the limits are negative 1 to 2. So this is equal to negative 12. So we can now simplify this one. So 3 ones and 3 fours, that is a negative 4x cube. Here the 4 ones and 4 twos, that is a negative 2x to the power 4 plus here the 2 ones 2 8, 8x square plus 4 fifth x to the power 5 plus 16x, negative 1 to 2. Okay, so now plug the limits. So we have the upper limit, substitute the upper limit, negative 4 and 2 cube. 2 cube is, which is 8 minus 2 times 2 power 4, which is 16 plus 8 times 2 square is 4 plus 4 fifth times 2 power 5 is, which is 32 plus 16 times 2, which is 32. So let's write 16 times 2. Okay, so minus the lower limit, when you plug the lower limit, minus 4, negative 1 whole cube is, which is negative 1 minus 2 times negative 1 whole power 4 is, negative 1 whole power 4 is just positive 1 plus 8 times negative 1 whole square is, that is the positive 1 plus 4 fifth and negative 1 whole power 5, which is negative 1, and plus 16 times negative 1. So this is the lower limit. Let's simplify this one. So negative 4 times 8, that is the negative 32 minus negative 2 times 16, that is the negative, then 8 times 4, that is the positive 32, then 4 fifth, and 32, that is the 4 times 32, 4 times 32, that is the 4 3 is 128 over 5 plus 16 times 2, which is 32, minus, so minus of minus, so positive 4, so positive of minus, which is minus 4, negative 4, and negative of negative positive, that is the positive 2, and negative of positive 8, that is the negative 8, and the negative of negative 4 fifth, that is the positive 4 fifth, and the negative of negative 16, that is the positive 16, right? Okay. So now we have the negative 32 and positive 32 get cancelled. With the negative 32, positive 32 get cancelled, and we have the, so negative 2, negative 4, negative 4 plus positive 2, negative 2, negative 2 plus negative 8, that is the negative 10 plus 68. So that is the 6 plus the 128 over 5 and 4, 128 over 5 plus 4 over 5, that is the 128 plus 4, that is 132 over 5, right? So that is, so 5 is the LCD, so we can write this as a 30 over 5 plus 132 over 5, so which is 162 over 5. Okay, so the volume of this solid whose cross sections are the squares are 160